welcome once again this time around. It has been a wonderful journey. Today we are going to look into another wonderful topic, a special topic, how to benefit from the time you are stuck on traffic, how to benefit from that. That's what we're going to consider today. Looking at the rate of traffic in the major cities of the world, which is caused by the increased number of automobiles in circulation. That's the cause of it. People who commit a total of 60 minutes to and fro work each day spend approximately 1,200 days of their life doing so. If they live an average human lifetime, that is over 3 years spent in traffic or on a bus, train, or whatever traffic that they were caught on. Sometimes you go to a barber shop to have your hair cut, but on getting there, you meet a good number of people waiting to have their own hair cut also. Sometimes also you go to airport, or after you have bought a flight ticket to travel, on getting to the airport, you hear the announcement that your flight will be delayed for an hour or more. Or when it happens like this, some individuals begin to make trouble with anyone that they try to talk to them. Some begin to sleep, some begin to go online to read news that will even make them stress up the more. In a case like this, achievers and non-achievers are separated by what they do or by their attitude, by the way they comport themselves. Achievers will not allow that time to waste like that because they know that if the time is wasted, will never be regained again. Because of incident like that made Marvin Maxwell to give his son John C. Maxwell a book at a time he was licensed to drive a car in his country, and told him that he should not take that book out of his car. Why? Why will he tell him not to take it? Because of a time like that, when he's got stuck in a traffic, whether in an airport, in a barber shop, or in a shopping mall. When he got stuck in such area, that's why he gave him that book. There are different things you can do to make wise use of traffic time. There are different things you can do. Number one of it is read books. In every field in life, people that have passed before us, they have outlined their knowledge, what they learned, the ideas they use to succeed in life. They have outlined it in a book for us to use. Read. You may say, I don't like reading. Why will I read? Reading is boring. Yes, but there's another thing you can do. You can listen to audiobook, which is number two thing you can do. Listen to audiobook. Only what you have to do is download the book to your iPad, your smartphone, your any gadget you know that it will be convenient for you. Download it there and listen to it. Number three thing you can do is listen to a podcast from an achiever in your field. Put it in your phone, in your car, anywhere. Be listening to it. Number four thing you can do when you are caught up in a traffic is also you can watch motivational videos. This one you may not do it while driving, you may not do it inside your car, but you can do it on airport. You just, when they say you're afraid to be delayed, you just put it on. Just put it on and use it to motivate yourself. All these things can help you to grow in your career. You can get a single idea from it that will get you 1 million or billions, or an idea that will help you to be more creative, more productive, or even learn new skill that will lift you up in your field from reading or from listening to a podcast or from listening to audiobook or motivational videos. There is simply no other investment vehicle available today that will yield a higher return than investing in your education and your growth. There is no other investment. Invest in yourself. Buy books, read, acquire knowledge. Don't waste your time. Many people who have made wise use of traffic time have testified on how it helped them. Many have testified. Those that make use of this opportunity, they didn't waste their time when they were caught up in this traffic. They didn't begin to complain. They didn't begin to blame anybody. They didn't begin to make trouble. Rather, they settled down in a particular corner, read book, listen to audio book, listen to podcasts or motivational videos. Some of them are Kate Harry, the author of Attitude is Everything. He's said much on how that helped him. When he get to airport, they say his flight will be delayed. Instead of making trouble with people, he will sit down to do what? To read. Another person is Abraham Lincoln. Before he became a president, while he's still working as a clerk in a law court, going home every day, he borrows books to read while he's in a vehicle that is conveying him home. See, the more you know, the better you will do. And the better opportunity you will attract to yourself. The more you know, the better you will do, and better opportunity you will attract to yourself. Because you do not grow into wealth, but you attract wealth by the person you become. Jerome said, and I quote, if you read one book every month about your industry, in 10 years, you would have read 120 books. That will put you in the top 1% of your field. That will put you in the top 1% of your field. If every month you read a book, start small. Read one book every month. In the next 10 years, you see yourself at the top. Like our page, follow us, subscribe to our channel, share to your friend. You are created to succeed. You are a champion. Go out and dominate. Have a wonderful time.